Hello, welcome back to the another video of the JavaScript tutorial series. So in this video we will discuss about the variables in JavaScript. So the task of the variable is same in JavaScript like all the languages. So the main purpose of the variables are like used to storing the data values. Here are one simple example. Here we declare one variable that is a and assign value 4 to the variable a. So we will discuss in live examples. So mainly we cover these 6 points in this video. So let's see one by one. Okay, so these are the declaration rules. Like I just provide link of this article in the description box below. So you just check it out. So we just create one directory here. Okay, so here and open this directory with code. So here we just create some basic HTML tag here. So inside the head tag we just write here a script tag. So inside the script tag we write JS code here. So as we already discussed about it in previous videos. So here we create one div in body section and we give it ID to the sample. Okay, so what the output of this div is, whatever we write code in script tag, we just append this to the to this div. So here we declare one variable, it is variable a. We assign it to the value 4. So this is basically integer type variable. So in JavaScript we cannot define the variable data type. Like in C language, what we do, we'll do int a equal to then 4. We just we just not given we just no need to write this type of data type. Here we just declare var and write a here, like variable name. So if we have a string type data, then also same kind, just we just provide the data in quotation format. You just write in single quote or double quote, no matter. After that we just assign boolean value also like this way. So here we assign true. So now here we no need to give a different data types for that variable. We just you simply write var and after that variable name and whatever the value of the variable, it's no matter it is integer like string or boolean, we just assign it. So we just give document dot get element by id and sample here. We just in get element of this div in here and in one variable like in div. Okay, so div dot inner html equal to a. Now the output of this code is, okay, so before we see the output we just write script tag in below the div, because we know that before div loaded we can't assign value to that div. So after save and refresh it, okay, so here the value is that is output is 4, as a the value of a is 4. If we write here str and then we, so yeah, the output is here. So the value of str is on the screen, and if we write bool here, that is the boolean value. So yeah, it is true. If we assign here false, then the value come in false, of course. So now we will see the concatenation of variables. So here we just write str, okay, sorry, str, then we write plus. The plus operator is concat the two variables or two strings in it. So str plus a. Then what the output will come, that is string, and the value of a is 4. So you can see here, if we want to give space in between them, so we just add one space here. So you can see here space is come. So yeah, this is all about the JavaScript variables in like concatenation. Okay, so we will see another example in this article. So here is basically uh, declaration of JavaScript variable. So here we can see they just assign p and id equal to sample. So student name equal to Ramesh and print the student name. So output of that student name is Ramesh, like we already seen in the live example. So here one statement many variables. So we can just split the variable, like another variable with the comma operator. So after we use comma, then compiler knows that it is another sorry, another variable. So comma comes in between the quotation, so it will not consider as another variable. Okay, so yeah, here we see the redeclaration of the JavaScript variables. If we declare first variable, that is student name equal to Kapil, so after we redeclare the value, we just redeclare the student name, then the value will does not loss in JavaScript. Here the Kapil is same. So yeah, then we will see JavaScript arithmetic. So the arithmetic operators are like here, just add this result, that is 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12, and the output will come is 12. So yeah, this is one another example, that is concatenation of string, as we already seen in live example. So here we just concat the strings, and here we cover these 6 points in this video. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.